Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a quick haul. I know I just did one, but literally I had placed a couple orders right after that, and I was like, dang, I want to show you guys. So I'm showing you guys. It's a little bit of Ulta, a little bit of beauty supply, a little bit of that's it. One of the products I just want to mention I actually do not have with me because I gave it away. I got the Natural Mothers, the Wilde Apple Blossom. You already know. I get that. I already did a video on it. I gave it away to my girl, Tori. So if you're watching this, girl, love you. You're so cute. Hope you're enjoying your mask, and I know you are. I got 2 headbands. Sometimes I don't want to put my hair up, and I don't want my hair in my face. So I got these big headbands. This one's from Five and Below, and then this one's from Walmart. And it came in, I have a regular black one too. I just can't find it. They literally, let me see if I can put this on real quick, because I did not know how to do this, and I was looking for a cute one like this. Oh, this one tight. Ooh, I haven't been wearing this one. Okay, so so this is how I primarily look in my free time, or you know, you can bring it up. Girl, I don't like that. I like you to still be able to see my hairline a little bit, so it look like I got something. Or girl, you can open this up and push it even further back. Girl, you could just keep going until your heart desires. I'm about to leave this on. This is cute. I kind of like it. Girl, I'm gonna leave it on for a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I haven't put this one on yet. Oh my gosh, I kind of like this. Okay, next. I need my edges done. Next 2 things are what's in my hair currently. I got some Jane Carter solutions. I got this from the hair store. They're both roughly about $10. This is a Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In. I love this stuff. Love this. Y'all go watch the video. It should be up by now. And this is a curl cocktail. They smell delicious. They're OG. I had to try them. Had to get my hands on them. I had not tried them yet, so it's my time to try. I finally, I've been wanting to try a butter shampoo from Soultanicals since I started this whole journey of mine, and I'm gonna keep doing this because it looks cute and it's feeling nice on my neck. But I've been wanting to try. It claims to be a shampoo, a co-wash, and a deep conditioner. Like, you're not gonna need anything after that, and everybody says that. I love Soultanicals, another amazing black-owned brand with even better ingredients. I love Soultanicals. I've only tried 2 things from them, but everything I've touched from them I love. So got me a butter shampoo. Next is skincare. I've been really getting into skincare. I was on live watching Mad Curls. I watch them every Friday night live, and I was asking, like, in the chat and stuff, does anybody know a good vitamin C serum? Because it's really hard because they oxidize and you can't leave them in the sun. So Lorianne said that she had just got this vitamin C powder from Good Molecules, and it's literally this. It's 0.7 ounces, and it comes with a little microscopic spoon, and it's a powder, so you scoop the powder, mix it into your serum or your moisturizer 3 times a week, and I think it's working wonders. I've only been using it for a week, and I think I see a difference. And vitamin C is to, like, you know, brighten your skin, even it out, make you look, enhance your beauty. And it's vegan and cruelty free, all that good stuff. So I love this. I'm loving this. And it was $8. Skincare? If you know skincare, it's not $8. It's not. I'm so sorry. CeraVe and Cetaphil are like $9. So I'm loving this. Next couple things, or next 2 things, are makeup. These are my favorite eyebrow pencils. These are my 2 favorite eyebrow pencils. Well, it's the same eyebrow pencil. I got the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. I get mine in the shade 4.5. It's what's my eyebrows right now. I really like that natural lights look. Excuse me. And these give me that for sure. I just got a girl wipe it on. Just fill them in real quick, and I'm done. And they're so creamy. I love these. I think nothing compares to these. I tried the Anastasia Brow Wiz, didn't like that. I tried the pomade, didn't like that. Nothing gets me right like these. Next, if y'all don't know, I'm in college, so I need some poopery, girl. I ain't gonna play with my life. My roommates better not play with mine either, because I don't want to smell that, and they don't want to smell that, and nobody wants to smell that. So We keeping it cute. One is I got a little fancy one. It's cute, so it's gonna look cute in the bathroom, and it's gonna make the bathroom smell even better. So it's little things, guys, little things. Now my last 3 things are hair related. Back to the hair. I got the Pattern Beauty edge brush. This is like, I should do my edges right now. This would be really cute when my edges are done. But I've been loving my Pattern Beauty pick, and I was like, I need the edge brush. I don't even got an edge control. I don't even got an edge control I like yet, but I need this brush. And the quality. Like, I paid $10 for it. It has a little place for your finger. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And it comes with a dust bag. What hair products you know come with a dust bag? Tracy, you did it with the packaging, girl. She did that. Love, love, love. I haven't even tried it yet, but I love packaging. I'm a sucker for some good packaging. Y'all. Last 2 things I got are some holy grails of mine. The Curlsmith Scalp Booster and the Full Length Density Elixir. I use this at night, I use this in the morning. Been using it for hair growth. I took a break because I got a haircut and I wanted to just enjoy my haircut, and now I'm back, ready to get back into it. I haven't even started. I still have a little bit left of my old one, so I'm finishing that, and then I'm gonna get right into this. And I have the pills as well. I will be giving you guys an update on that soon before you go spend your money. But that is it for this haul. Yeah, I cannot believe I wore this headband the whole haul. But y'all let me know if y'all feel the headband. Y'all liking it or y'all want it off? I'll take it off. Oh, I don't know. I kind of like both. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. Keep deep conditioning. I hope you guys are staying safe. I will see you guys next time. Toodles.